Hello everyone, I'm Mary Ann Bonadillo, and today I am going to attempt to make lumpia. I'm from Northern California here in the United States of America, and I've lived here since 2004 for lumpia. And for family cuisine, it's different for each house, right? So I think this is the easiest way for me to make it. Okay, so let's start. I like to start off with ground pork and ground beef. With that, I just kind of smash some garlic here. The thing that I've learned from traveling everywhere is that anytime you go to a party, if it's a Filipino party, guess what's gonna be there? Pancit and lumpia, right? And you guys, I'm not a chef. I am a stay-at-home mom. You know what? This recipe actually, I get stuff from different people. I get what I think I like in it, and then I just kind of roll with it. So it's not a family recipe, but there are certain things that I've taken from different people that are part of my life, you know? Okay, now the carrot. My favorite part of the chopping is when I've chopped everything like this, and then I do this because I know that I can't chop my hands off. So this is my favorite part when I do this. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. And then this egg will go straight in here. But the good part about living here in California is that there are Asian supermarkets everywhere. I actually went there the other day with my kids, and it's like 2 minutes away. This egg, actually, I'm going to go ahead and scramble a little bit and add some water. And we're gonna use this as a binder for the lumpia for later. I'm gonna add some salt, some pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit more flavor and put some soy sauce in there. This is like the funnest part. You just go in there and then you mash it all up. This is my favorite part because it doesn't take like knife skills or anything to do this. Okay, so that's what it kind of looks like. And okay, so we're gonna try to roll now. Get a Ziploc. You stick it in a bowl, right? And then put the lumpia in the Ziploc, right? So it's in the Ziploc and it goes. And it's a pipe that you can use, right? So you cut the Ziploc, right? And then when you start, put this here first, right? So you just kind of put it on there. And then just make sure that the the hole is big enough, but you just kind of squeeze it out, right? With this spoon, I felt like this was like the best thing for me because sometimes like with a spoon, you would go, okay, put the meat in, right? And then you go, oh shoot, that's too much, and put it back in the bowl. And then, you know, put it back and forth. But then with this, it's like, it's already a line. And then you just, you know, flatten it a little bit, start rolling it, right? And then it's so easy. You seal it with the egg and water, and then you're done. There it is, which is like simple, I think, instead of using a spoon. So, oh, during this time, actually, you should, while you're wrapping, maybe get your oil ready too, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. I'm gonna get this started. So I just put it on medium heat. It just kind of depends on your stove, but usually medium is like where I try to go. And then if I feel like it's not cooking fast enough, then you can turn up the heat a little bit. But I would not suggest you put it on high because you might burn it. So I've done that a few times too. I'll do like about 4 or 5 of these. And then I think around by that time it's ready to go. So, let's do this first. Right? I feel like this is so much easier. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like the going back and forth with the spoon. So I like this way better for me. And then it's ready. Then you just stick it in the fryer. So here they go. Here we go. All right, it's looking pretty good. You gotta move it around. I'm gonna say this is gonna take anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes. And the reason why the width of it is the way I have it is so it like cooks evenly, 1, and 2, so I feel like it's cooked all the way. I'm gonna take all of these out now. You guys, this looks really good. I think we're done here. So I'm gonna take out these babies. Oh my gosh, look at you guys. Diba? So it kind of looks presentable. Come on. Oh. Come on. Okay, you ready? So here are my girls. They're gonna try the lumpia to see if mommy's cooking is okay. All right, go grab one.
But we already tried them.
Oh my God. But we already tried them. Pretend that you didn't. Okay? Just pretend you didn't. I did.
Big baby.
Delicious. Oh, you can't see nothing though. It's just my,
wait,
just my
here.
shoulders.
Oh.
Delicious. Very good. Good job, babe.
Thank you. Okay, I'm done making the lumpia. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you make this at home with your kids and your family and you share it with everybody. Have a great day. Bye.